Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 25th, 2024. We have here in this newspaper seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles today, so it's too much for me, time consuming. Yes. Alright, first one. 8963. A 3 stars puzzle. Really a 3 stars? Well, 3 stars puzzles has always 25 point digits. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, the publisher has published this or indicate this with 3 stars. For 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Which number can I pick? Yeah. One in this row, first row, one in the second row, so the third row. Only place level 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in this third row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 4, need a 6. And I need a 9. Well, a 4 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no last row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the second, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left and 6 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Then let me see. Yeah. 8 here. We have a pair, the 8 and the 5 in this column. The 8 and the 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 5, 8 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8, 8. We need 8 here. Yep. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here and 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 4, 4. Need a 5 here. 3, 3. Need 6 here. Come on. 3. Need 3 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 in these 3 marks. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 3 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Then 5, 5. Yeah. Thinking. Come on. Yeah, we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. That means 1 digit left in the second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 in this box. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. We need 6, 9. We need need a 7 here. In this row, we need a 7. Well, the 7 could be here, could be there then. 7. We need 6 here. Yeah. Come on. 1, 9, 6. 1, 9, 6. 1, 9, 6. Yeah. Well, we have a pair. The 4 and a 5 in the third row. The 4 and a 5 in the first row. So the row between, the only 3 places left for the 4 and the 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. And look, we have 4 and 5 in the middle column, so no 4 and 5 in this box. 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So 6. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be there. 6 in this column. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the 9, we have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One of the missing number in this row is the number 6. Yeah. 6 in the 7, we have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes in there. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this big square for almost 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. 6, 6. 9, 9, need a 9 there or here. Three in this row. Last row. 3 in a row above. From that row, the only place left with 3 should be there. 9, 9. Need 3 here. Need 2 here. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. Only 3 places left of the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in the column next, no 6 there. The only place left of the 6 should be here. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 1. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be here. Need a 1 here. 2, need a 2 there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for 2 should be there. 2 and 7, we have a 2 now in this row, so last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, we have a 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 9, we have a 2 now in the middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 2 should be there. And if eliminated here, the 8, so the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 9 should be there. And 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 7 goes there. Then, let me see. How about 9 and 7, 2 and 6. 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left, the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here we have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. The only place left, the 2 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the fifth column. The only 2 places left for the 7 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 7 and the 3, 7 and the 3. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there in the flow. In 14 minutes. Well, we solved it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.